Think not having many friends is a problem? Think again. Having few friends isn't necessarily a sign of social dysfunction. In fact, research in social psychology shows that people with few social connections often possess exceptional qualities that most people are completely unaware of. First trait, superior emotional intelligence. Contrary to popular belief, you don't avoid people out of fear or shyness. You simply developed a rare ability to detect authenticity. Your brain unconsciously analyzes behavior and naturally rejects superficial relationships. This selectivity isn't a flaw. It's a form of advanced social intelligence. Second characteristic, you're deeply creative. History's great artists, inventors, and thinkers shared this trait. Leonardo da Vinci, Einstein, and Tesla preferred solitude. Why? Because creativity requires mental space. Every trivial conversation consumes cognitive energy that you prefer to invest in your passions and personal projects. Third quality, remarkable emotional independence. You don't constantly seek external validation. This psychological autonomy is extremely rare in our social media-obsessed society. You build your self-esteem from within, which makes you psychologically more resilient to life's challenges. Fourth trait, an exceptional capacity for introspection. While others flee their thoughts into the constant noise of social interaction, you explore your inner world. This practice develops a self-awareness that few possess. You understand your motivations, fears, and desires with impressive clarity. Fifth characteristic, you value quality over quantity. One true friend is worth more than 100 superficial acquaintances. This philosophy demonstrates advanced emotional maturity. You invest deeply in relationships that truly matter, creating lasting and meaningful connections. These traits don't make you antisocial or problematic. They reveal a complex, thoughtful, and authentic personality. Modern society values popularity, but history celebrates visionary loners who changed the world. So the next time someone asks you why you have few friends, smile. You possess qualities that many would envy if they truly understood them. Your path is different, not inferior. Share this video with someone who needs to hear it today. You have also developed exceptional strength of character. Each hardship you have endured has added a layer of steel to your personality. You no longer crumble easily. You know how to get back up again and again. This tenacity is rare and precious in a world where many give up at the first obstacle. You keep moving forward even when all seems lost. Suffering has also given you a unique creativity. To survive, you had to find innovative solutions, think differently, and constantly adapt. This mental flexibility has become your signature. You see possibilities where others see only dead ends. You transform obstacles into opportunities because you have learned to dance with adversity. But be careful. This strength comes with a responsibility. You cannot waste it on bitterness or victimhood. Your suffering was not in vain if you use it to create something beautiful, to help others, to build a life that honors everything you have been through. Many people who have changed the world had the same strength forged in pain. Nelson Mandela, Frida Kahlo, Viktor Frankl. They transformed their suffering into fuel to accomplish the extraordinary. You have that same potential within you. So today, acknowledge its strength. Stop seeing yourself as a broken victim. You are a warrior who has survived the war. Your scars are not weaknesses. They are proof of your courage. Every tear shed has nourished the powerful person you have become. The question is no longer whether you are strong. You are. The real question is, what will you do now with this rare strength that so few possess? The world needs people like you. Subscribe to discover how to transform your pain into power.